ดีมากๆเลยครับผมซ่อมที่อื่นมาก็เสียเงินไปเยอะแล้วก็ไม่จบมาที่นี่จบครับผม
He fixed my computer in only one day and cheap price, all the way from Denmark.
Hello, okay, very good technician. He fixed my computer. I lost everything. I had a big question mark on my screen. Didn't take the water, and now everything is perfect. He saved my life because I have all my data in there. I didn't save anything. So, if you need to have that kind of fixing, you can come to see my friend K. He's very good, and his shop is service Apple laptop in tukcom Pattaya. Thank you.
I come here to repair the keyboard on one computer and the keyboard and screen on the other computer. In only one day they fixed everything for me. Very good
service. I will only repair here. Thank you.
Mi chiamo Alessio dall'Italia, sono venuto qui a Pattaya al tukcom Shopping Center per riparare il mio Mac. Aveva un problema con il logic board e l'ho risolto. Quindi consiglio questo posto per venire a riparare il vostro computer. Grazie, ciao a tutti.
Hello everybody. Today I'm very happy because Pattaya to you has been fixing my computer. Plus, the important thing is getting back all my files, important files. So I'm very happy, and I really like your service. Yeah, thank you so much.
Where you come from?
I'm from Myanmar. I've been working in Pattaya here for 3 years, and really I found this place. It's one of the best place that saved my life. Thank you.
Very happy with the service here, and I got replaced my work pad for a MacBook Pro, and everything works fine now for a very fair price. Thank you.
Hallo, ich bin Erich aus der Schweiz. Ich habe gestern und heute war ich im Genuss, mein Apple hier wieder auf Vordermann zu bringen. Hat alles wunderbar geklappt, der Service hier ist top. Man wartet 2 bis 3 Stunden, kommt zurück, bezahlt die Sache und bisher läuft alles wunderbar. Kann ich nur sehr empfehlen. Tschüss.
Hey, I'm Mr. J from USA, and I want to say that Pattaya to you, they will take care of you for all your computer needs. I had this MacBook. I went to many places, even in my own country. They tell me they don't know the problem or they don't have patience. But here, Mr. K and his staff, they take care of me. They have patience. He fixed in one day. Very efficient, very fast, good service. I recommend it. Thank you.
PattayaToYou.com. Visit PattayaToYou.com on 3rd floor of tukcom South Pattaya to buy or repair your PC, notebook by experienced staffs at Pattaya to You Academy, located next to tukcom parking lot. Contact for more information on 0387240072.